Welcome back. Welcome. I'm Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We're all Bitcoin Maxis. So, I'm still out here on my walk. This video will be dropped after this morning's video. So, I want to talk about if I was to stack Bitcoin all over, what I would do differently. First, I would not tell anybody that I'm buying Bitcoin. I would not tell one single person in the world, and even my personal life, especially, that I'm buying Bitcoin. Because, for one, you can't tell anybody. A lot of people don't even know about Bitcoin. So trying to explain to somebody Bitcoin, they're automatically going to think it's a scam. Because, like I said, not a lot of people know about Bitcoin. The only thing they've heard about Bitcoin is it's a scam, right? That was all over the news for a long time, and that's the negative perception most of the people have in real life that aren't early to Bitcoin and truly understand it. Another thing I would do is educate myself on Bitcoin as much as I possibly could. I would be diving into books. I would be going online, channels like mine. I would be going through content and books and so much research that I would become an expert on Bitcoin. I would know how it works and where it's ultimately going. And so, another thing that I would do is I would try to maximize my cash flow in order for me to be able to supplement my current income and save a little bit of my income, but also maximize being able to stack. So, with that being said, I would look into being able to sell something to do with AI, because AI is going to replace a lot of jobs. So what I would do, I would find a niche that I'm in. So for example, for me, real estate, right? So building a system for real estate agents that have a website, and if they don't have a website, build them a website and integrate AI agents into it and go ahead and sell that service. But I would make it a subscription type of thing where every month they have to pay me for this service. And there's so many real estate agents across the US that you can make a lot of money doing that, right? So basically I would be trying to build my cash flow coming in. Another thing that I would do if I was to start all over would be to not buy stuff that I don't need. Of course, I harp on this all the time on most of my videos, but that's what my content really truly is about. It's about living a minimalistic life, and every day I wake up thinking to myself, if I spend that dollar, do I need to spend that dollar on that one thing? Because that's going to maximize my cash flow that I keep, and it's going to minimize my expenses. Now, if I have a bunch of subscriptions, I would say, okay, which one do I need? For me personally, I need the gym, because that goes into mental health. That also just doesn't go into, you looking good, but it goes into your mental health. Every time I get upset or something just bothers me, I go to the gym. But that's my healthy spiritual type of journey. And for me, it's a healthy habit. So I would cut out anything in my personal life that doesn't have to do with that. So for example, if I have a Netflix subscription, or if I have some type of subscription that I really truly don't need, I would get rid of it. Another thing that I would do is I would not be out here getting into a mortgage. I would not be out here right now, especially getting into car payments, because the interest is what's going to eat you and burn a hole in your pocket. So that's something that I really recommend, that if I was to start over and just be a beginner in Bitcoin, that's what I would do. And so the first step to all of this, of course, is understanding what Bitcoin is, because when you invest into something, you have to understand what you're investing into, not just buying it because somebody says to buy it. And now, that's something that I think a lot of people struggle with, is they don't understand what they're investing into. They just see somebody with 2,000 followers, 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers, and they're like, oh, well, everybody's following this person, so let me go ahead and buy this because everybody's saying to buy that. I mean, my biggest thing is there's so much content out there that a lot of people get confused. Well, should I buy gold? Because a lot of people are talking about gold. Should I buy silver? Because a lot of people are talking about silver. Should I buy Bitcoin? Because everybody's talking about Bitcoin. But understanding what you're investing into, how it works, what makes it work, what its value is the most important thing about investing. And the one thing that, if I could go back, I would look at the downfalls of companies, a lot of companies that were successful, but then I would look at the trends. So for example, you have 5 businesses, right? And all of a sudden, this one other business took over the market of those 5 other businesses. And that's the thing with competition. And a lot of people don't understand when they buy stocks. There's always possibly something else that comes out that's far greater and better than those companies might be producing, no matter what it is. And people don't understand that. And also understanding how money works, taking economics, taking finance, understanding how money truly works, because a lot of people don't understand that fiat money can be printed, and they don't understand why everything goes up in price when they go to the store. Their energy bills are going up, their car insurance going up, their property taxes are going up. So understanding how money works is another thing that I would look into if I was starting over to stack Bitcoin. So I want to come on and make my thoughts. Second video I dropped today. And like I said, I love connecting with you all, getting my thoughts out there on Bitcoin and being able to stack as much Bitcoin as we can, because we want to be Bitcoin rich. We want to be among the 1% of wealthy people in the world. When the world falls and everybody's getting poor, us Bitcoin maximalists are only getting richer.